Hi everybody! Little tiny food pantry haul today. Their produce did not look the greatest today. A lot of it was very rotten. But that's okay. We picked through and we got some good stuff anyway. We got some brat buns and some garlic herb chicken. Just a little tiny thing of lunch meat. But that's good because I've been making a lot of, quote, Lunchable boxes for people to have for lunches. So, that's a good thing. And we got some 2 tomatoes and lettuce. And I've been loving the tomato mayo sandwiches. I know, weird thing, but it's got to be Miracle Whip type of stuff, salad dressing stuff. It can't be the regular plain mayo. But Miracle Whip type of stuff and tomato on a sandwich, yum. We got 4 nectarines. A bag of peaches, they look pretty good. And the potatoes look pretty good too. And then we had to stop up to Dollar General because where I've been making my homemade, quote, Lunchable boxes, I had to get some regular crackers. As Emma would call these are gourmet crackers. Gourmet. But they're rich and crisp crackers by Clover Valley. And I like the Clover Valley crackers. And we got some round ones. Ritz crackers type thing. And Clover Valley now has toasted garlic cheddar cheese snack crackers. Doesn't that sound really good? I've been waiting for them to put them down on the shelf so I could reach them because there's usually only one person working up there and they've been swamped like crazy, so I haven't been able to reach them. So now I finally get them. And I picked up a graham cracker pie crust. For one, I hate making pie crusts. I don't care if it's graham cracker or regular dough or what have you. I do not like making pie crusts. I don't know why. And so I picked up one of these because I'm going to do a frozen pistachio cream pie with cream cheese in it. So it's kind of like a cheesecake type of deal. And I think that sounds really, really good. So when I do that, I'm probably going to tape it for you guys. So, yeah. Oh, did I say cinnamon rolls in the food pantry thing? I don't think I did. These I picked up for Greg because he likes cinnamon rolls and I figured he would eat them. And I think he starts a new job next week, so he's going to need stuff for lunches, and that's just what Mommy does. And up to Dollar General, there's also having a buy 2, get 2 sale on Lay's chips. Either the regular size or the party size, but we got regular. We got sour cream and cheddar, salt and vinegar, sour cream and onion, and plain waves for the plain boy. That's what we got today for our food pantry Dollar General haul. And me and Emma are going to do a taste test video later. We got the toasted garlic cheddar cheese crackers to taste test. Plus we got filled chocolate chip cookie things that we found up to Dollar General as well. So it'll be Dollar General food taste test thing for things I found up there. Only 2 things, but come on. The video is going to be with Emma, so it's going to be fun. Because we're good. And that's what I got today. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. We'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, share, watch a few more videos.